Wombra no one mesieska and farmer MPP fundi. Or your president of the whole country. Country no so no. You will CPP for whom. You will PFP. You will GPCP. You will one way M2aba. You will one way Tuaba. Enti no will be a woman will be a. It becomes the responsibility of the government of the day. And no to say wunya aban biba. Na onya boldo akukudro we yaku ojina video mu ankasa. Edi akukudro wa brand flag bearer ti ho. E ka kire wo say omo gine Ghana fo ho dodo. O say wan kakra. Me ye political party. Ye yi me ba say me medwene Ghana fo ho. Afede yesi da bi o. Me gine Ghana fo ho dodo. And this time ya me be baby me be gine me nko a me ho ye be gine ye ho. Na wo se wo pe Ghana kan ko. Na sa ne party a wo pa. Na ne wugina oye Ekufuado nepotism. Ekufuado oba ye no wa fa na busianfo Ekufuado ne nkrofo wo say yampam no because sa na oye. Me catch us NDC people most of them they don't think oh asem no mo kan sa akeke. Deda mu ye nina ne say Ekufuado afa na busianfo de o ma say adwumam Ekufuado aye say inti anka ye hwehwemu a kamo de mo ba anka de mo se Ekufuado ya enye no ena kamo be den kamo be ba besesa ana meboa. But you double down wo the Ghana koto dum som e man krofo adwuma asai nkrofo ahwere won adofo na wo ka se sa time no na wo dwene Ghana fo ho Ghana ni akoton kwadu ne nkate e de akotua ne electricity bill say papa efie wurei gina kotua efie ne electric bill no na manda summu na papa na divert scan de ayade fo from what the summu na okachira se na odwene wo ho a Ghana ni ma wanim bie obi antie video we Pachawati or say the way I MPP for Bu amembu no so ba sa no mu bebu no. I'm speaking to the independent. I'm not speaking to NDC or MPP here. The independent people who vote, no. Mu belong to other political parties. I vote to these two main parties, no. George Opariado, Oye, National Youth Organizer of NDC. Kachira mo say, womo ba power, they no mo ye na ye pese, mahama ba power na ye ba. Yembe ye bibi different than Ekufuado is doing. And this I will say Ekufuado amembo nye na emia ukonti, wupe ojefo manabejiwa. George Opariado, in the presence of Ofoso Pofu and John Dramani Mahama, Kachira will say, Omo ba, Omo Sasashe, Omo Beshe NDC for Nkwan, because according to them, Ekufuado, she MPP for Nkwan, which is not even true. Sebian Kwade free SHS, and you woman in an MPP for ma. Companies here, one district, one factory, and you woman in an MPP for. As a matter of fact, the president or the former president's own brother, Ibrahim Mahama, aka I want to be Dangote Jata Cement, was not able to put together a cement company when his own brother was the president. Hey, Yamane clear containers were put free. Hey, what you check now bounce it. The Ibrahim Mama pes wo ye ni na wo ye oje bosia kura no wontua UT bank o kan wo mugu no no utie. But he was not able to bring up a cement company. But through Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, one district, one factory. Now where's mume jibina membomasum Jata Cement sabe wonya kwasianse wo konya press conference aka say it's indeed Jata Cement ka 1D 1F. Go and read about Jata Cement. On the 21st of May 2021, one kasa to the say, yes, indeed, the government program of one district, one factory has helped him been able to import machines in Niyama na or the cement no where to me a day akraba ninua tue konyaso when to me anye. But George Opariado say Jojo Pariado and a catcher wa here or say Sir Omoba Bemua man yawa jenisa wo to aba my NDC man abe anything different than Ekufuado is doing. So my question will be, why should we then vote for them? Because one kasa ejina simpie so atu wenu mutio pay says mo ba NDC mo ba mo message se bibia nembom dia nanado ye na mo ye dia. Why should we bring you? I told you they make statements just to play with the emotions of the people. Koje SIM card connect it. Me connect it. Yeah, she. Hey, yeah, penny. Yeah, but shit tie. They will meet us. Hey, they will see us this thing. Yeah, Ekufuado. Hey, check. Yeah, penny. Say MTN for chom sim no. Yeah, no why you nim say bini anope bini. Wako jina say we treat so no wapampa so. Ebeba be bibi amawa. Kwasi eh. One sa company no contract here. You are a client to them. I can choose to refuse my client. What's the money answer? What you say here? Mundi and this for na chiao. When ni beba mo so no, na wo mo enyansa wo mutiri mu na take advantage of the policies aba na better mo ho. Na wo da so e da jun so krobo kete no so. Mama and this for nko so na da mu de bia. We are with you. We are with you. Mahame Winnie, Yabeko court. Hey, Mahame Winnie, Yabeshi tie. We have all the pink sheet. We have all the this. You could deny court now. Monfa pink sheet bakumbra. As somewhere see a dunk at Yatra and say, figures here is in your correct, the you're correct. Me can almost say, Mo Coalition Center. Tesamodi anything at the anarchy. At the chaos. At the basa. Oyene. Pichiri ebaba Ghana no eneboamu because according to oma adwene no and this for adwene no se niama yesa wo Ghana enebema wo Ghana ni no wato abade atia MPP no ma ba power eno akeke debi enya sa wo ba e the policy bi aba na besesa wa bere about said the Ekufuado ye no debi wo pese ya na afiefunu se nya hwe and this mo de momra na wo de ne ba wo no so abaye de opa bia no akọ SIN number co register and also more they be yet to trust them as if you control MTN, as if you control Vodafone, as if you control these kind of like I don't even know how they thinking to say NBC communicated to me because say the telcos will meet us and come back say we shall meet them. You meet them where? The only language you know is yes, so and for innocent boys in free we spot. Yan show mu t-shirt no munko yedede. That is all we know. That is all NDC is good for. Yeah, the mraba will be uncle linky because they say no. Yeah, who say and for the phone numbers, listen numbers, and yes, come. Obi to me fa WhatsApp no the bu obi aginisika and then you say yan linky bibia with the ID. Ni who say asimesi number we koya bonia ya asimesi fie ne yeko. Ghana ni say otie buruchire. Or Jesania Manidi. Ye the Sadia ni Bibagana dia ompe.